Okay, let's talk about sketches. It's a game that's all about your drawing and your deception.
So can you actually spot a liar just from their drawing? This explainer will show you how.
The idea is pretty simple. Almost everyone gets the same word to draw, except for one person.
Your main goal, work together on a drawing and figure out who the imposter is.
At the very start of the game, you'll secretly get one of two possible roles. It's citizens versus the hidden. One side knows the secret word, the other might only get a small hint.
So if you're a citizen, you see the secret word. Easy, right? Well, not exactly.
The hidden player, on the other hand, might just see the category. We call this hint mode.
Every round is pretty straightforward. You get a role, take turns drawing, review the art, and then you vote. Everyone takes turns adding to the same drawing. You usually only get about 2 turns each.
So here, the word is towel. You can see how each player adds their lines one by one.
Okay, so the citizen strategy. Draw clearly for your teammates, but vaguely enough to confuse the hidden. Now, if you're the hidden, your whole job is just to blend in. Copy what others are doing.
All right, the drawing's all done. Now it's time for everyone to review the final masterpiece.
You gotta analyze the final picture. Whose lines look kinda weird or just don't fit in?
Based on that drawing, it's time to vote. Who do you think the hidden player actually is?
So how do you win? Well, citizens win if they find the hidden, but the hidden wins if they don't.
And look at this. The hidden player won. They totally tricked everyone into voting for a citizen.
Here's a quick tip for citizens. Use your first stroke to make a big core shape. It helps.
Oh, and you can play 2 ways. You can either pass one phone around or connect a bunch of them. So now you know the rules. The real question is, are you a better artist or a better liar?